Hello, amazing people. I am Ayushi Rawat and welcome to my channel. So, in this video tutorial, we are going to have a look at a solution walkthrough of a Codeforces problem. Way too long words. Now you know the pattern. If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss an update every time I upload a video. So with that being said, let's quickly dive right into the video. Let's have a look at the problem statement. Let's see what it says. Sometimes words like localization or internationalization are so long that writing them many times in one text is quite tiresome. Let's consider a word too long if its length is strictly more than 10 characters. All long words should be replaced with a special abbreviation. This abbreviation is made like this. We write down the first and the last letter of the word, and in between them we write the number of letters between the first and the last letters. The number is in decimal system and doesn't contain any leading zeros. Okay. Thus, localization will be spelled as L10N and internationalization will be spelled as I18N. You're suggested to automate the process of changing the words with abbreviation. All too long words should be replaced by abbreviations and the words that are not too long should not undergo any changes. Okay. For input and output, the first line contains an integer n. Each of following n lines contain one word. All the word consist of Latin letters and possesses length from 1 to 100 characters. In case of output, we need to print n lines. The ith line should contain the result of replacing of the ith word from the input data. Okay. Let's understand the problem real quick. Let's consider two scenarios here. In case of first scenario, let's consider the word as localization, and in second scenario, let's consider the word as Ayushi. The length of localization is 12 and length of word Ayushi is 6. 12 is strictly greater than 10. In that case, our output should be the first letter of the word, that is L, followed by the length. Removing the first and the last character is 12 minus 2, 10, and the last character of the word N. So our output becomes L, 10, N. In case of Ayushi, length 6 is less than 10. So in this case, we have to return the original word without making any changes. So we will return Ayushi. I hope it's clear to you now. Now let's code it out. So let us start by creating a new Python file. So we require two set of inputs here. The very first input will be the number of words we are going to receive as an input. So let's store that in words. By default, it captures string. So we are casting it to integer. Now let's declare our input array and let's store our inputs in input array by running a for loop. Once done, let's print out our array and see what we have got so far. So let me save and run the program real quick. It's asking me for a number of words I'm going to input. Let's enter 2 for now. Let's enter the words. And here is output. We have entered 2 words, Ayushi and localization. Okay, so far so good. Next, let's run a loop over the length of list of input words. Now let's apply a check condition here. If the length of word is strictly greater than 10, in that scenario, let's make use of a temporary variable to create a new abbreviation. Since we cannot perform concatenation over string and integer, so we'll cast the length into string. At the end, we will print out the final word. Now let's select the script and paste it inside the Codeforces editor. For the same, let's navigate to the Submit tab and paste the code and hit Submit button. Status tab is automatically opened and says the script is in queue. and it's accepted. And with that, it's a wrap. If you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. It will encourage me to make more such videos for you. And if you have reached so far and still haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it right away. If you're looking for some cool projects in Python, I have just the playlist for you. It has 30 plus awesome projects. I would strongly recommend you to join my Telegram channel and Discord server to connect with peers and fellow developers to help improve your coding skills. I would love to connect with you on social platforms like Twitter and LinkedIn. Find all the links attached in the description box. If you have any queries or suggestion for the next video, drop your comments below. I will be back with more such videos. Till then, stay safe and stay tuned. Thank you for watching.